Our ever-evolving world demands our constant adaptation. And at Butkon, we prioritise staying ahead of this transformation. Established in 2007, our company specialises in the manufacturing of elevator landing panels, car panels and emergency call systems, all geared towards enhancing urban living. Collaborating closely with our partners, we diligently identify the evolving needs of urban mobility. With a team of 230 skilled engineers and experts, we harness the latest technologies to drive efficiency and innovation. Our commitment to research and development ensures that we continuously refine our offerings to meet the ever-changing demands of our clientele, both aesthetically and functionally. Driven by our national values, we proudly export our products to over 30 countries. Our state-of-the-art factory, founded with our own capital, spans 14,000 square metres of environmentally conscious production space. Furthermore, our 1.2 megawatt solar power plant underscores our unwavering dedication to combating climate change. We embrace a continuously evolving understanding of quality. Our dedication to customer satisfaction extends beyond the sale, with our 24/7 technical support, ensuring our clients' peace of mind. In a world of constant flux, it is imperative that we adapt and innovate to provide future generations with safer, more comfortable and environmentally sustainable living solutions. With one touch, reach the peak.